The leaves begin to turn vibrant shades of orange and red, painting the landscape with the warm hues of fall. It's a time of transformation, where nature prepares for the coming winter. A crispness fills the air, signaling the arrival of autumn. The mornings are misty, and there's a certain magic in the air as people enjoy the cooler weather, wrapped in cozy scarves and sipping warm drinks. It's during this season that persimmon trees laden with plump, jewel-toned fruits are ready to share their bounty. The trees stand tall, their branches heavy with the weight of ripe persimmons, each one a promise of sweetness. The harvesting of persimmons is a delicate process, one that requires a keen eye and a gentle touch. Farmers move carefully through the orchards, selecting only the ripest fruits, ensuring that each persimmon is picked at the perfect moment. Ripe persimmons with their smooth, taut skin are carefully handpicked to avoid bruising. Each fruit is handled with care, as even the slightest damage can affect its quality and flavor. Not all persimmon varieties are created equal when it comes to drying. Some are better suited for fresh eating, while others excel in the drying process, transforming into a chewy, sweet treat. Astringent varieties, like the Hachiya, are favored for their high sugar content, which intensifies during the drying process. These persimmons, with their unique flavor profile, become even sweeter and more delicious as they dry. Their firm flesh also lends itself well to the transformation from plump fruit to chewy delight. The drying process is a careful balance of time and temperature, ensuring that each persimmon reaches its peak flavor. After picking, the persimmons begin their journey from the orchard to the factory. This journey is crucial, as the fruits must be handled with care to preserve their quality. Here, they'll undergo a fascinating transformation, shedding their skin and slowly offering their moisture to the air, resulting in a concentrated burst of flavor. The drying process is meticulous, with each step carefully monitored to ensure the best possible product. Join me as we explore the journey of dried persimmons from orchard to your table. From the careful harvesting to the intricate drying process, each step is a testament to the dedication and skill of those who bring this delicious treat to life. Let's discover the magic behind dried persimmons and savor the flavors of autumn together. Once harvested, the persimmons are carefully transported to nearby factories, their journey just beginning. Time is of the essence to preserve freshness and prevent spoilage. Upon arrival, the persimmons are sorted with any blemished fruit set aside. The first step in the transformation process is peeling. Traditionally, this was done by hand, a time-consuming but delicate process. Skilled workers would deftly remove the thin skin, ensuring the fruit remained intact. Today, many factories utilize automated peeling machines. These machines use rotating blades or water pressure to efficiently remove the skin. Whether peeled by hand or machine, the goal remains the same: to prepare the persimmons for the drying process, where they'll develop their characteristic chewy texture and concentrated sweetness. The transformation from plump persimmon to chewy treat happens during the drying process. This crucial step can be achieved through various methods, each imparting unique characteristics to the final product. Traditionally, persimmons were sun-dried, often strung on twine and hung in the open air. This method, known as Hoshigaki in Japan, results in a naturally sweet and slightly firm dried persimmon. While sun-drying remains popular, modern factories often employ controlled drying chambers. These chambers regulate temperature, humidity, and airflow, creating optimal conditions for consistent drying. This method allows for larger-scale production and reduces drying time. Regardless of the method, the drying process removes moisture from the fruit, concentrating its natural sugars and intensifying its flavor. The once plump persimmon transforms into a chewy, intensely flavored delicacy. Section 4. Factories of flavor mass production of dried persimmons. In this chapter, we delve into the fascinating world of dried persimmon production, where tradition meets modernity. Stepping into a modern dried persimmon factory is a sensory experience. The sight of rows upon rows of persimmons drying on racks is a testament to the scale of this operation. The air is thick with the sweet aroma of drying fruit, a scent that evokes memories of autumn harvests and festive celebrations. Conveyor belts hum with activity, transporting persimmons through various stages of the process. Each belt is a vital artery in this intricate system, ensuring the smooth flow of fruit from one stage to the next. What was once a cottage industry is now a large-scale operation, with technology playing a crucial role in meeting the global demand for this delicacy. The transformation from small-scale drying to industrial production is a marvel of modern engineering. Automated sorting machines equipped with optical sensors grade persimmons based on size and quality. These machines ensure that only the best fruit makes it through to the next stage, maintaining the high standards expected by consumers. Conveyor belts whisk them through peeling machines before delivering them to the drying chambers. The peeling process is swift and efficient, a far cry from the labor-intensive methods of the past. These chambers, precisely calibrated for temperature and humidity, ensure consistent results, transforming thousands of persimmons each day. The controlled environment within these chambers is crucial for achieving the perfect texture and flavor. This blend of tradition and technology allows for the mass production of high-quality dried persimmons, making this once-seasonal treat available year-round. The end product is carefully packaged, ready to be enjoyed by people all over the world, a true testament to the ingenuity and dedication of those in the industry. Section 5. The quality check, ensuring perfection in every bite. Before being packaged and shipped, the dried persimmons undergo rigorous quality control checks. This ensures that every piece of fruit that reaches the consumer is of the highest possible quality. Every step of the process, from harvesting to drying, is meticulously documented and monitored to ensure the highest standards are met. The journey begins in the orchard, where only the best persimmons are selected for drying. Trained inspectors examine the dried fruit, looking for any imperfections in size, shape, color, and texture. They are experts in identifying even the smallest flaws that could affect the quality of the final product. They also check for moisture content, a crucial factor in determining the shelf life and quality of the final product. The right moisture level ensures that the persimmons remain fresh and flavorful for as long as possible. Only the finest dried persimmons, those that meet the stringent quality standards, are deemed worthy of carrying the company's seal of approval. This seal is a guarantee of excellence, a promise that the product inside is the best it can be. These quality checks are essential to ensure that consumers receive a product that is not only visually appealing but also safe, delicious, and of the highest quality. When you bite into one of our dried persimmons, you can be confident that it has passed through a rigorous process designed to deliver perfection in every bite. Section 6. Packed with care, preserving freshness and flavor. Once the dried persimmons pass inspection, they're ready for packaging. This crucial step ensures that the fruit remains fresh, flavorful, and protected during transport and storage. Modern packaging methods utilize materials that prevent moisture absorption and oxidation, two factors that can degrade the quality of dried fruit. Individual wrapping, often in airtight pouches, helps to preserve the texture and flavor of each persimmon. Larger quantities are packaged in bulk bags or containers, often with oxygen absorbers to prevent spoilage. Clear labeling provides information on ingredients, nutritional content, and storage instructions. Careful packaging ensures that the dried persimmons retain their quality and freshness, allowing consumers to enjoy the taste of autumn no matter the season. Section 7. A Global Delicacy, from orchard to your table. The journey of dried persimmons, from orchard to your table, is a testament to the ingenuity and dedication of farmers, processors, and distributors. What began as a seasonal treat in East Asia has now become a global delicacy, enjoyed by people all over the world. Modern transportation and logistics have made it possible to enjoy dried persimmons year-round. Whether enjoyed as a sweet snack, incorporated into baked goods, or savored as part of a cheese board, dried persimmons offer a unique flavor and texture that continues to captivate taste buds worldwide. Their journey, from the orchard to your table, is a testament to the global appeal of this ancient fruit.